So, hi there. Today I'm going to be going over some SEO stuff that I've learned about WordPress. We're going to be going over just some basics that can kind of help you get your website or your blog just that maybe a little bit more traffic, and some things that you can do to kind of get everything working properly so that you're going to be getting a lot more hits. So I'm just going to go right into this here. So here's I'm on WordPress here, and I'm on my blog. Okay, so there's and then I'm going to show you some plugins and some other stuff that I've learned about here. So here we have regular blog. I'm just going to run over some of the things that I've done on here and that I found out from this Squirrely SEO, which is a pretty good site. You have to pay for the full version, but just by using it to begin with, I kind of learned quite a few things from it. So I just want to kind of go over that. So first things first, your main title. You want to keep your keyword. Once you've done your keyword search, which is like when you're looking for keywords these days, you might want to look for some sites, like do some Google searches to look for some different sites, like see what else is out there. I mean, really, you want to try and stay away from basic words. You don't want to be looking for just like a one-word keyword searches. They're going to be gone. You want to be looking for something a little bit smaller that's going to be available. So, and then looking for tail words. Like here, I've got, I mean, this is quite a long, this is a long search, keyword search I've got here. But I wanted to do something a little bit different. I was kind of experimenting and trying some different things. That's a big part of SEO, is you want to try some different things, see what works for you, check back, and that's a good way of working out like what's good and what's not. Second off, so after I've got the main heading, the second thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I've got my H2 headers here. Now an H2 header, what that's doing, it's coming to the top here, and that's going to be in the top lines for any search engines. So you want to match that up to your keyword as well, so everything is all matching here. Big trick with keywords is to add them into your content while keeping a flow. You know, you don't want it to be just stating the keywords again and again and again like that. You know, you want to try and, I mean, that's the trick to it. I think sometimes is doing it in a way that it seems like natural. Again, so another thing I have here, I've got one of the keywords bold here. Like having the bold as well is another thing that's gonna make it stand out. Like these the search engines are gonna better see these kind of things. There again, I have it again over there. Another thing with the video, big part of things to get people to looking at your site is you want to have a mixture of images and videos. You know, sometimes people they just see just a big page of writing, they're just going to be leaving. Having the images there and having a mixture of information and checking that you have enough information. Like if they don't feel like you have enough information there, I mean, they're going to look somewhere else. They're going to go somewhere where they can get what they need. So a big part of it, I think, as well, is to have enough information, enough content on your site. Another thing as well with WordPress to help with your SEO is not to have too many plugins. People get plugin crazy. I saw a site that had a ridiculous amount of plugins. I'm like, and they're all activated. I mean, I probably have too many myself, but I mean, I think a general rule is try and keep it under 20. And if you're not using something, get rid of it. Like, just get rid of it. Like, if it's something when you first got it, you're like, I'll give that a go. Later on, you were like, that's not working for me. Like, I'm not using it. Get rid of it. Some other SEO stuff. Yes, images. With any of your images that you're putting onto your site, make sure that you caption them. Make sure you put the hidden keywords into those images, because when people do searches, and some people will search just for images, you're going to be linking back to your blog or your website. So make sure your images will have your keywords inside them. Okay, let's go over here. This is the all-in-one SEO pack that you can get with WordPress. So it's kind of pretty much just comes with it. Again, if you want to see here, I've added in my keyword into the main title. Also, I've added it into the description as well. Some people might feel that's overkill, but I feel like if you can add it in without it being too much, And then here it shows me, this is showing me what's going to come up on, that's not good, don't do that, slow computer. This is showing me what it's going to come up with on Google. Like I want to see what it looks like on Google. So this is what I'm looking for. So this is how it's going to look, and you want to make sure that it all fits nicely. Okay. Again, keywords. Now I've got my other keywords in here. These are all just different words that can come up. I mean, I could add a lot more. I mean, you can add as many as you want, pretty much, to keep it simple. So these are just some basic things that I've learned about. SEO. Obviously, these are just the starting points with things. But it's a good start, and I'm already starting to get some hits on this, and I've noticed differences from just doing these few little changes. I'm noticing that I'm getting a lot more hits. Next thing I need to work on is obviously making sure I don't have I'm getting a lot of visitors, but no one going through. I need to start getting forward links through. I need to start getting more links, so people are not going to be pressing that back button. Google seems to better notice when you're getting a lot of people who are like staying on your site and who are clicking through to other things, that they're clicking through to other things on your site, or they're clicking through to a site from your site. These are things that are going to help. Them pressing that back button or them closing the tab, that's not what you want. That's not going to be helping you at all. So it's nice to see that you're getting the hits, but you need to get the conversion, as they call the conversion rate on that, which means getting them to keep them there, keep them flowing through your site. Anyway, these are just a few things I've learned about SEO, and I'm going to keep learning, see what else is. Things keep changing, so we'll be going from there. Have a good day. Thanks.